Stop scrolling. Learn this in 30 seconds. I'm Ma'am Yani, and here's something useful you can apply today. Want to send a personalized letter fast? Let's learn how to use mail merge in Microsoft Word without Excel. Are you ready? First, type your letter directly in Word. Go to Mailings tab. Click Select Recipients and choose Type a New List. Afterwards, customize the table by simply deleting, adding, and renaming your columns. Fill out the details like the names, addresses, or any custom information. And then click OK and save it. Now place your cursor where you want the information be placed. Then click Insert Merge field like Title, for an instance. If you're done, click Preview Result and see how each letter looks. Then hit Finish and Merge to print or export. Here's the process. That's it for now. Quick and easy with Ma'am Yani. Don't forget to follow for more.